So on your beginning of course survey, we asked you this question: is 0 a natural number? So the results show that, according to students of coming into this class, overwhelmingly you think that no, 0 is not a natural number, whereas 30% are saying yes, with about 8% who are saying, huh? This is an interesting thing that we have this group of people who have been studying math for a lot of their lives and have severe disagreements about what exactly a natural number is. And perhaps some of that hang up is actually coming from this name of natural number. And when you look at this question, is 0 a natural number? The question you're going to ask is, do I think 0 is in some sense natural? So something to keep in mind is that when we look at math, when we look at formal definitions, these are all things that were invented by people in order to convey ideas. So that means that people get to decide what those terms mean. So when we're looking at math, when we're looking at computing and all of those sorts of things, we're not trying to discover some sort of divine truth or something like that that was inherent to the universe. We're really just coming up with things that sort of seem like they're going to be useful and are going to help us communicate ideas precisely. So in summary, in my opinion, the best answer is actually this huh answer, because I'm going to take it to mean that you're saying that the answer should follow from your definition of natural numbers, but you haven't given us a definition to use. So in order to move forward, we need to establish some sort of agreement about what exactly constitutes a natural number. So to come to a consensus for this, let's take a look at the sacred texts. So this quote right here is coming from the book that many of you likely used for your discrete math class. So this is the MCS book that is linked to on the course webpage as a resource for discrete math materials, and it says that the symbol fat N, or blackboard bold N is how you would pronounce that, stands for the set of non-negative integers 0, 1, 2, 3, ... Ask your professor for a complete list. And then if we look at this text here, this is the TCS textbook that we're using for this course. It says that the set, again, fat N, or blackboard bold N, is equal to 0, 1, 2, and then the same ... as the natural numbers. So it's certainly the case that both of these texts are claiming that 0 is indeed a natural number. And in fact, this has been sort of the most widely accepted definition of what a natural number is. Pretty much all computer scientists are going to tell you that 0 is a natural number, and the vast majority of mathematicians now are going to tell you that 0 is a natural number. So in order to be most effective in communicating, the definition of natural numbers we're going to be using for this course will include 0.